Improve the logistic efficiency of company. Hello, my name is Cristian David Castañeda. I'm a student of technology in logistics management, and this time we will talk about how the improving logistic efficiency and company. I hope this presentation please you. Let's start. In business logistics, it is necessary to seek continuous improvements in the process as the guarantees and business for these strategies must be implemented that minimize costs, fully utilize the capacity of the company, and improve the quality of the products. The improvement strategies are maximize storage. By implementing storage procedures, companies can move products more effectively. For this is it convenient to make use of vertical storage and make an effective use of space. Optimize transportation. The reduction in transportation costs are very beneficial for the company. For this it is important. 1. Design products with optimal size and weight. 2. Plan delivery routes. 3. Use cost-effective packaging and shipping methods. Automate communication technologies, having software that communicates all the sectors of the supply chain, even with the client, is key beneficial since it speeds up the entire process of product. Encourage feedback, taking into account the opinions of each worker is really important for a company. This is a fundamental part to achieve the success of the company. There are several methodologies to improve efficiency in logistics and commercial process. Then I will explain using of them. Six Sigma theory. Six Sigma claims that focusing on reduction of variation will solve process and business problems. Application guidelines. 1. Define. 2. Measure. 3. Analyze. 4. Improve. 5. Control. Focus. Problem focused. Lean thinking theory. Lean focuses on the removal of waste, which is defined as anything not necessary to produce the product or service. Application guidelines. Identify value. 2. Identify value stream. 3. Flow. 4. Pool. 5. Perfection. Focus. Flow focused. Theory of constraints. Theory. Thought focuses on system improvement. A system is defined as a series of interdependent processes. An analogy for a system in the chain. A group interdependent links working together toward overall goal. The constraint is a weak link. Application guidelines. 1. Identify constraint. 2. Exploit constraint. 3. Subordinate processes. 4. Elevated constraint. 5. Repeat cycle. Focus systems constraint. Similarities between the improvement programs. There are some points in common in their methodologies. They make some of the same assumptions which can be seen in the previous tables. The methodologies for the improvement on process begin assuming that the design of the product or service is essentially correct. The design of the product or service is the most economical. The client's needs are satisfied with that design. The current configuration of the product meets the functional requirements of the market and the customers. The management structure supports and nurtures change, although this assumption may not be valid and require studies. Differences between the improvement programs. The main differences between the methodologies are in the approach and in the secondary effects that they present. Regarding the approach, for Six Sigma, if we focus on reducing variation, then we will have more uniform process output. For Lean, if we focus on waste removal, then flow time will improve. For Torque, if we focus on contrast, then throughput volume will improve. Regarding the secondary effects, for Six Sigma focus on reducing variation and achieving uniform process results in less waste, less throughput time and less inventory. For Lean thinking focus on waste and flow time results in less variation, uniform output on less inventory. For Torque focus on constraints and increased throughput result in less inventory and in a different accounting system. Major obstacles to improvement. They address management theory as a secondary or tertiary issue. They don't address police either formal or informal. They don't address how managers are measured and rewarded for processing problems. They don't address the general theory of management who should be the organization. They don't address the organization values. In any organization, many activities are driven by policies whose purpose and being lost at time. Thank you.